Welcome to Outside the Box.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Outside the Box video, and today we have something cool. So, as you know, I don't know if you guys actually know this, but I'm pretty sure I've mentioned it in a few videos that I do really want Badfoot, and
yes.
We went to a store, and we found a lot of packs, and I looked behind, and this is what I found. We have Badfoot, Fly Swat, and then I forget what his name is. The Wizard Dude.
What's his name? The Wizard Dude?
I don't know, but...
Wizard. We'll call him Wizard Dude.
Wizard. Dude. And then this is the collector's case, so there is a mystery figure.
Oh, there is a mystery figure.
Here.
So, I mean, this is a little bit of a throwback. I know this is Series 1, but like Will said, he was looking for Badfoot. For the longest time, we couldn't find him. Like, he just wasn't on the shelves anywhere.
If you wanted him.
Yeah.
But he was so expensive. Like, what was it, like $20
It was $20 for just one character. But he dug on the shelves. Behind some... Actually, was it behind some of the Power Storm?
No, it was behind some of the... There were more of these. There was like a few.
A few of this set?
Yeah, and then we also, the one with the clown dude, if you remember that video, there was one of him too, but all the characters looked really old and like paint was all scratched all over their face and they didn't look very good. So we saw that, I was like, yeah, we're not doing that.
Yeah, so he bought it. Obviously, we've got it here, and it's not Power Storm, but we're just really excited to open it and share it with you guys. And I mean, who knows? There might be Mythical Storm Strike in here.
Be worthy, my friend.
I don't know.
If there is, then we can check eBay for $1,000.
Oh yeah,
$1,000?
Money, 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 money.
Yeah,
maybe.
Or chip that.
So with that, why don't we open it?
Oh, we got another legendary? We got Mr. Splits.
Oh, we got Mr.
No
Okay,
way.
let's get this off of here.
Oh, wow.
I
2 legendaries in one package.
Why don't you grab that out?
We got Mr. Splits. So,
Mr. Splits.
These are all of our legendaries. I was thinking we were probably just going to get some classic guy in here, but no, we got Mr. Splits.
Currently, at least with this series, you have 3 of the legendaries.
Yeah, because Hayashi's in the series. But then I need Buster Bling, Starbreaker, and Shutdown, and then all legendaries in the series.
Right. So these
we also have these 2, so the exclusives are caught.
You're right. We do have the exclusives from, obviously, the Battle Arena set. No Mythical Storm Strike, but still a legendary. That's pretty cool.
So we got Mr. Split. Look, what is happening to his face? It's like half of his face doesn't have hair.
Yeah, it's like, I mean, it's like he was dipped in like a toxic goo and it all melted off or something. Yeah. Just like Two-Face.
Yeah.
Luck! Blind, stupid, simple, doodah, clueless luck!
And there's Mr. Splits. That's pretty cool. He is really sweet. Pretty cool that we pulled a legendary out of this.
Like, like how rare. 2 legendaries in one package.
I know, right? That is cool. Really cool. And Badfoot, of course, is the one we've been looking for.
I can't get him out. His fist is stuck in the plastic up here.
All right, let's see.
Yes. There we go.
There he is.
Oh my gosh. It's Badfoot. We got him.
All right, so here's our 2 legendaries that came out of that kit. That is sweet. So we've got Badfoot and Mr. Splits, which you've seen Mr. Splits, but Badfoot is really cool. I mean, that is just an awesome character.
Alright, now let's get out. Okay, so here's what's interesting about Fly Swat. It's tail whip, basically, with a different model. Now, he has a mace weapon, which means his weapon's not that good. But he also has a shield. As we know, in the arena, the shield, he pretty much won every single time.
Yeah.
So this dude could be like, it could be either. He could be controversial. Like, it could be either.
Yeah, you're right. Screenshot had the shield, right?
Yeah, and he destroyed the other one. So here's, because if he has a shield, he can block attacks, and then he has the mace. So I don't know how well he would be, but it's kind of even now. Like, it's kind of more like an ultra rare because...
And we're just going to have to battle and find out.
Mace is the exact same as Queen Shivers.
Is it the same?
It's the same. I don't know who I like more, Tail Whip or Fly Swat. I like Fly Swat's design better. I think Fly Swat's a little more cool. But I think Tail Whip had a better weapon.
And there is Fly Swat. I mean, really cool. You can see his mace, his shield there, the back of him. He's got some sweet armor on. Look
But
at
you
those
can't
spikes
tell.
on those shoulder
Well,
pads.
you can. That's what you can tell. And it's literally just Tail Whip's design, just with different different details.
Yeah, but I mean, it's commonality of parts.
It's
and
cool.
But that is still really cool. I love the paint scheme, the detail, just even in his like armor and the plating on the front of him. That is pretty sweet.
All right, I don't know who this dude
rare.
is. Isn't his name like Thunderwind?
Thunderwind.
Thundercrack!
He's classic.
Thunderwind, you're right.
Let's go. I didn't know that, but knew that. I don't know.
I didn't know it at all. Have you seen him in the cartoon?
He's in the cartoon, but not like most characters.
Not like most characters. I know some of these characters are more prevalent in the cartoon. Obviously, Chuck Lee is
Actually, Tail Whip and Shreddy Bear
Shreddy Bear are like the most.
All right, so this is Thunderwind. Honestly, looks like he's probably gonna lose every fight. His weapons it's not like.
He's like a wizard, right?
Yeah, but his weapon's not good. It's like a sword. This might be even flimsier than the sword. I'm not even joking. And then the thing that it can just.
Well, yeah, I know.
This is why he's classic.
It's not. Look at this guy. He looks like Gandalf or something.
Draw your Saruman as poison is drawn from our wound.
Here we have Thunderwind.
Thunderwind.
You can see his staff there, or his wizard staff. He's got a headband on. It looks like some kind of symbol. Lightning bolts going up and down the front of his robe. Pretty cool guy. Looks like an old man, old wizard. But that's really sweet. Let me ask you this. Out of all the characters we got, who is...
If you're gonna ask favorite, it's Badfoot.
Well, I know your favorite, but who technically has the most damage and power and health?
Probably Mr. Splits. I mean, as we know, Phantomook, if you line it up perfectly, can pretty much one-shot anybody. This is pretty much the same thing. But also, Hayashi can pretty much one-shot anything if he gets lined up right. And that Badfoot's the same, so it's probably pretty even. And then obviously, this dude is... I don't actually know who's better. I'm guessing this dude's better because he's got the shield. And then this dude is just nope. Yeah.
So if you had to put them in order of who you think is the best...
Probably keep it like this.
Or probably like this.
I don't know. These guys are tied, so they won't be I don't know. It can be either way for these two. That. It doesn't.
Yeah.
They're kind of the same.
And the shield though, the shield makes me question how. I mean, I want to make him bet. He seems like he would be better. His weapon's not the great. I mean,
I'd say if he had a weapon like this, if he had this type of weapon, maybe a little bigger than that, but then he'd be a lot better because he could whack them.
Oh yeah.
And then he also has a shield. He'd be basically getting a screenshot, except better. Maybe no, screenshot's still better. I would say screenshot's a lot better.
Screenshot's a lot better. All right, so I think we need to battle.
I call custom controller.
You can have the custom controller. That is Max Snapper's controller, right?
Yes.
And then I will take the yellow controller. Okay, so I think I'm going to try
Mr. Splits.
Mr. Splits. I'm kind of curious how this fist is going to work. But Will has Badfoot, and with Hayashi's foot, I'm pretty much feeling like he's going to beat me.
You're going to lose.
So I guess my fist is just going to stay out because it doesn't want to go back. But that's fine. Chow, see?
Split Strike! Split Strike! Split Strike! Split Strike!
Split Strike. Split Strike. Split Strike. Split Strike. Split Strike. Split Strike.
Well, I don't know about you, but I think that was really cool.
That
Right?
was insane that we got 2 legendaries, an ultra rare, and a classic. Like, obviously,
That's
like-
a great lineup right there. So, like you said, we didn't get Mythical Storm Strike.
but like, that was kind of expected.
Yeah,
That was
But you never know. I mean, to get Mr. Splits,
It's next best thing.
we have not completed Series 1.
We haven't completed Series 2. We haven't completed Series 3. And who knows how many more series there'll be after this. Like, with Treasure X, there's like 12 series.
Yeah, these are getting harder to. At least the Series 1 stuff is getting a little bit harder to find on the show.
Yeah, like, I haven't seen many of the older giants now. Like, I'm just seeing Power
Oh
Stone
yeah,
Giant.
no old. I haven't seen any older giant.
What's
Your
that?
favorite?
Badfoot.
Badfoot, of course. That's the one you were looking for. I have to say, I think Badfoot is cool. I like the Bigfoot kind of like.
Bigfoot.
Yeah, I just think of Bigfoot, Badfoot, right?
Harry!
I like Mr. Splits. Mr. Splits is really cool. I like the extended fist. I mean, he's got. I don't know. He defeated all of
I'm
them.
pretty sure Max Snapper and Phantomu both do that. Their fists extend like.
Yeah, Max Snapper's fist extends.
Yeah, Phantomu's does too.
He
Now,
just-
now this dude's useless. So,
This dude is useless.
but if we glue his head on, he'll be the best no matter what.
Just don't tell anybody.
He's too good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. We'll catch you on the next one.